eyes meet mine, the room begins to sway. Every breath between us takes my fears away. Your hands are writing promises across my open skin. Every time you touch my soul, the night begins again. In your heat, I believe in a love that can